This is Peter Lickberg, the gentleman that discovered these famous butterfly twins.
So it's a golden color butterfly twin from Malmberget mine in Lapland, Sweden. We found them in December 1988 and January 1989. What is interesting, the color is caused by several elements that normally don't color calcite that we don't know about. So there's 1,000 ppm of titanium, manganese, and yttrium, which makes the fluorides pink. And there's also a tiny amount of uranium. And this is the only floater gem quality calcite twin that we found in the pocket that I collected. So it's in fact a very special one.
I'm going to put it into the black box here. That's fantastic.